Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna license plate light. First, gather your essential tools like a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. It's important to have everything ready before you start. Make sure you are working in a well-lit and safe area, which will make the process much easier and help prevent any mishaps. This simple preparation saves time and effort. Now let's access the light. Locate the license plate light housing, typically above your license plate. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into the small notch on the side of the lens cover. Carefully pry the cover away from the housing. Be gentle to avoid breaking any plastic tabs. Once loosened, carefully remove the lens cover to expose the bulb and its socket. With the lens cover off, you'll see the bulb socket. Gently twist the entire socket assembly counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Once the socket is free, pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a little snug, but it should come out easily. Now, take your new replacement bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket. Ensure it's seated correctly for a good connection. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully twist the bulb socket clockwise until it locks securely into the housing. Then, align the lens cover and gently push it back into place until you hear or feel it click, ensuring it's sealed. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle's lights to test the new license plate light. Confirm it illuminates properly and you're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.